Welcome to day 3 of classroom setup. I'm back here with Gibby. We just picked up some Bojangles because it was a long night and it's gonna be a long day. She's addressing my postcards. This little situation is changing. I'm keeping that how it is, but the words I'm shifting back over. I had done it in the corner. I can't remember if I showed y'all yesterday, and they looked really good. But I was like, oh, let me just like change it and see how I like it. And then I didn't like it. So I'm gonna redo it, but it'll be so cute. Okay, so I've done a little bit. Look at my bulletin board. This is going to be like my birthday's up there, and then it's kind of hard to see, but days of the week, calendar, and seasons. Sorry, it's hard to do backwards. And I went ahead and took these letters down because I'm gonna spray that matte spray paint on them so that they're not so glary. So I've done that. I love this bulletin board though. Like, I'm so happy with how it turned out. I've kind of picked up a lot, like if you can tell, the floor, because the carpet people are coming today. So now I'm gonna find a spot for my class jobs. This is just the same one I used last year. So I'm thinking, I don't know, because they obviously need to see them. So I feel like somewhere in the front, but like mine are kind of small, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. So I need to think about it and we'll see. So I'm gonna do the cornered, can't remember if I showed that. The cornered today a reader, tomorrow a leader quote over there. All right, we are now at Walmart getting my bookshelf, and my 2 lovely assistants are carrying them for me. They're the best. All right, I got this matte finish for my letters, my 2 bookshelves. I got these pug lights for like 3 something, command hook, and all my folders. Yay! All right, sad news. The pug lights were actually $22, but it's okay. I'm still gonna use them. Overlook of my room right now. They just cleaned my carpet, so everything's wet. But I've done this. Here's this bulletin board. I love it. And then we finished doing the contact paper on my desk. We're about to do my filing cabinet. And I just went to Walmart and got a bunch of stuff. So I got these, which ended up being $22, but they're perfect. So, I mean, it's fine. I was a little stressed, but I'm not gonna stress about it. And some spray paint and all of that. Some folders for open house. And then my bookshelves, which we're gonna have to build at home because the floor is wet, so we're not gonna do them here. So we just put up my skip counting numbers. We're gonna kind of fix this one a little bit, but Paige is putting on the rest of the border. I think it looks so cute. And I'm laminating. This is gonna be like my math area. So I'm putting like my 3D shapes, fractions, and then like place value stuff there. It's gonna be so cute. So we just cut out our math posters that we're gonna put on here. Here's Paige, my lovely helper. And then we're gonna do reading strategies or comprehension strategies on this thing later. But for now, we're gonna complete this cabinet. We are spray painting the letters. The little anti-glare thing, I'm using this matte finish and it works so good, holy cow. So this is how much we've done. We finished the cabinet. It looks so good. I'm obsessed. Then I have this little reading area right here. I'm gonna put my books. That's gonna change, but it looks so good. Here's my birthday little area. And then I have my comprehension strategy posters. We have gotten so much done, me and Paige and Mom. They've helped so much. So, welcome to classroom setup day 4. We're getting all my books and everything. Look at all that. We've loaded my mom's car with all of my books and games and everything, and my car. Can't believe we still have this much stuff left. It's gonna be so fun. I'm so excited. We are organizing these cabinets now. So I have my mom and Paige. We're sorting through everything, kind of making buckets. You can see the mess, but it's getting organized. So I'm excited. It's gonna look so good. Here's the before. Oh, I also want to show you my bulletin board little thing I did. I put all my borders here, and I just did them with command hooks and then little binder clips and clipped them up there. I'm so excited about that. I'm at Target. Tried to get more of these Y bins, but they only had white, so I could only get 2 of them. So we might go to Greensboro later or tomorrow and get the rest so that all my book bins will be done, and they're gonna look so good. We've been working on our classroom library. I got these Y bins, and then I need to get 6 more, because that. So I'm separating them by genre. So I have my sweet helpers. And my mom, she's having to leave this, so I'm sad. But this has been a great work. I have my books laid out for the beginning of the school year. I'm gonna have like a bookmarks there, first aid tutors over there. I don't know what me and Paige are gonna do next, but also I don't think I've showed you. I did my little labels. So cute. Maybe we could work on my desk. It's been a long and very successful day. I'm really excited to show you guys all that we've done. First, I wanna say we worked on a lot of organizational things. We didn't hang too much up today because it was pretty much already there. We worked on my book nook little area and my desk. Oh, and my closet. So here, I'm gonna show you. So we have this little area when you first walk in. I'm obsessed with the letterboard. It's so cute. And I think it'll be cute to change it throughout like the seasons and holidays and stuff. Those I still need to put up, but super cute. There's my smart board, nothing's changed about that. We put like this rolling cart here, and then my schedule is up, and then nothing's changed over here. Here is the cabinets. Here are the cabinets. And then my little clock, we ended up finishing that. We put up these things on the wall. I'm not putting my rug down that's going in the front yet because you can obviously see the chairs, and they're vacuuming tonight. And then over here's what we've been working on all day. This whole little area. It's looking so cute. Like I showed y'all, I went to Target to get more of those. I'm getting the pastel pink and then the blue, but they were out, so my mom I think is gonna look for them somewhere else. But here's like flexible seating, and then I have more flexible seating that I'm gonna DIY. And then all of that. And then right here's where my affirmation station is gonna go. We contact papered my filing cabinet. We put on my little labels. It looks so cute. So affirmation station is gonna go there. And then we organized, I don't think I had a video of my desk before, but y'all, it was absolutely insane. So I've kind of cleaned it up, kind of figure out what I'm doing there. I put that rolling cart over there so that I can just put their stuff for their Friday folders in here, and it'll be easy. And then on the other side, they have their dividers and extra paper in there. Then under here, I put my curriculum books, and that's there. And then my closet is so organized. I'm putting labels on all of these on like the outside, but I have like our iPads here, and then all of the supplies. It looks so good. These things, by the way, off Amazon are super nice. And then this bookshelf, that little thing, and then those I'm selling. So here is an overlook. I think it looks so good. Oh, and I put that little strip of stuff up there. So that is all we're doing for day 4 of classroom setup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's all coming together so good, exactly how I wanted it. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to do more and finish my whole little book area over there. It's gonna be so cute. I'm really excited. So come back tomorrow for day 5. We're gonna be organizing and all sorts of things that you don't wanna miss. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok.